Okay, so every morning I go get coffee or matcha, or I make it at home. So today you guys got to pick, so let me see. I'm actually kind of craving coffee today, so I low-key hope you guys pick. Okay, it's 55% coffee, 45% matcha. So we get coffee today. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl AmandaEnsing, and today I let you guys pick my makeup. I have seen so many people do this tag and it's so cute and I love watching it and it's so fun. So I wanted to let you guys vote and pick the makeup that I did today. So I went to Instagram and I let you guys vote and pick what I use today on my face. I thought this idea was so fun because I always pick what I'm gonna use in my tutorials, but today you guys got to pick and feel like you're a part of picking what I use in the tutorial, and it was super fun. And I was kind of guessing low-key in my head what you guys were gonna pick, and I was actually really surprised with a lot of the decisions. I was like, oh, okay. I didn't know you guys were gonna pick that. So I had so much fun filming this. For this video, I have partnered up with 12 Lash, so thank you for sponsoring this video. I always keep it 100 with you guys, so you know I only work with products and brands that I really like, and they have sponsored this video, so huge shout out to them. If you guys wanna see how I created this makeup look, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, so I'm going to be posting on my Insta story and letting you guys vote and pick what I'm gonna wear today. First product is primer. And we're gonna pick between LA Girl and Huda Beauty. Votes are in. This was super close. It was 52% Huda Beauty and 48% LA Girl. So we will be using the Huda Beauty primer today. So this is the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection pre-makeup base. Never tried this before. I did wash my fingers. Oh, it has a little pump, cute. So this is what it looks like. It smells like something familiar and I don't know what, but it has like a familiar scent. It's really thick and creamy too, which I'm more normal dry, so I can appreciate that. Okay, so next is foundation, and let's see what you guys picked. Holy crap, this was really close too. You picked the Too Faced Do You Full Coverage Fresh Glow Foundation. It was 57% Too Faced, 43% Becca. Let's do this. So here's the packaging. Okay, I'm gonna use my beauty blender. This is the shade Golden Beige. I have no idea if this color is gonna match me. If not, I'm gonna go grab another color. Okay, maybe we can make this work. Let's try it. Oh my God, it smells so good. Okay, this might be a little bit light for me. Let me grab a shade a little bit darker, okay? Okay, I think Warm Sand will work. Let's try Warm Sand. It smells so freaking good, I can't. I forgot with dark hair, you get foundation all in your hair. Since I've had blonde hair for the last couple months, it's like, whoa, girl, I totally forgot. That was so random. So far, it looks pretty good in person. It looks pretty good. I love how it has a little bit more of a dewy finish. I love a dewy finish. We love a dewy queen. Don't know that it's full coverage though. I feel like it didn't cover up like earthing and anything, you know? For concealer, again, you guys, this is so crazy. They're so close. You had to pick between the new Becca concealer and the Beauty Bakery Cake Face Concealer. It was 57% Becca, 43% Beauty Bakery. Super close. So let's try the Becca. I have not tried this. I feel like the reviews are really good on it, and I think that this color is too light. I'm gonna try the shade Caramel. Do you say caramel or caramel? I say caramel. All right, so I'm gonna go underneath of my eyes. This feels thick. So maybe I should start with a little bit less than I normally do. I always smell makeup, is that weird? I like smell all my products. I'm gonna put on my eyelids as well for my eye base. All right, we'll start with this for now. It blends out easy though. Actually looks really good. But I feel like where you place this concealer, it like stays. It's not very fluid. It's definitely a creamier, thicker concealer. Next is powder. Okay, this one was not close at all. This was very clear, and the winner is the Milk Makeup Powder. These are both new products. We have the Milk Makeup Translucent Light is the powder that won, and it went up against the new Lawless Brightening Translucent Powder, which I really want to try this as well, so I'm super excited. I'm surprised that it was such a clear winner. It was 68% Milk, 32% Lawless Beauty. I feel like Milk is a little bit more well-known. Lawless is a newer brand, so maybe it won because of that. But I'm excited to try both of them. I've been wanting to try both of them. So today we're gonna try the Milk Powder. All right, so the inside looks like the Hourglass powder. If you've seen it, it has like a little sifter, if you will. So I'm just gonna put some in the lid and bake my concealer. Or maybe not, you know, it doesn't actually come out like that. You know what, Amanda? You thought, but girl, that's not what's gonna happen. Maybe if I just press my beauty blender into here. Girl, you thought. All right, so let's get some powder on here. I'm gonna try to work this fast so it doesn't crease again. I'm getting powder everywhere. This looks great. Okay. Oh my god. Let's just bake my whole nose at this point. I'm just gonna dust off the excess powder. All right, next we have bronzer. And you got to pick between the Smashbox palette, it's like a bronzing contour palette, and the Wet n Wild bronzer. This was close, y'all. It was literally 2% off. It was the Wet n Wild bronzer is the winner. It is just a single bronzer, which makes me kind of sad because I kind of wanted to use the Smashbox one because there's a blush in there. Here's a Smashbox palette. It's really pretty. Maybe I'll still use the blush because I didn't pick another blush. But the bronzer that won is called Queen's Island. It's from Wet n Wild. I have powder all over it because there's powder all over my desk right now, but it has a little dragon in it. Which, by the way, I'm watching Game of Thrones for the 3rd time, like all of the seasons for the 3rd time. And it made me think of it because of the dragon. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I'm gonna use my Morphe M530, code Amanda, get that discount, girl. So I'm doing this and it's not like powdery or anything. Okay, not bad. Oh my gosh, did I forget foundation back here? Oh my god, hold up. Don't pretend like you haven't been here, okay? I feel like it's kind of sheer. When I swatch it though, it feels nice. Here's the color. I'm gonna try a fluffy brush for like my forehead and stuff. It's so hard for me to find a good drugstore bronzer that I like, so I was really excited to try this. And I mean, it looks pretty. Now, will it snatch my nose? That's the real test. So let's contour my nose. I'm gonna go ahead and use the blush in the Smashbox palette since I didn't pick one. I'm gonna use the bright blush. I'm gonna take this, I'm going right over the contour. Ooh, this is really pretty. Okay, it looks super bright on camera, maybe, possibly, but it looks cute in person. I'm gonna add a little bit on the side of my nose too. She is pigmented. Next is highlight, and you got to pick between NARS Ibiza and Kylie Cosmetics Champagne, that sounds weird, Champagne Showers from her birthday collection. Again, close. 45% to 55%, with the winner being Kylie Cosmetics Champagne Showers. Let's do it. I haven't used anything from her birthday collection yet, so this will be the first product that I'm trying. The packaging was so cute. Like, it was so freaking cute. I liked it anyways. And this highlight is actually huge. Look at how big that is. No shade compared to KKW Beauty, the little, oh my gosh, it looks so small next to that. I'm just gonna use a fan brush. Okay, I actually really love it. Can you see that? It's really pretty. Let's move on to the rest of the face. The eyes, you guys had an eyeshadow palette and an eye topper. I wanted options just in case because I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna do. So for the eyeshadow, there was a Juvia's Place palette and a Kylie Cosmetics palette. Very close, 44% to 56% Kylie Cosmetics palette. This is her birthday collection palette, is the winner, so that's what we're gonna use today. As far as an eye topper goes, I gave you the new Hourglass eye toppers and the Kylie Cosmetics eye toppers, and it is literally 50% to 50%. So if I use an eye topper, I'll just pick based off of the color once we get there. So this is the eyeshadow palette called Sippin' Pretty, really cute. I already said I loved the packaging on this, and here is the palette. I have no idea what kind of look I want to do today, so let's go for it. I'm gonna start by going in some of the brown colors. We'll start with the transition color. With Kylie's palettes, they're usually hit or miss for me. I love her original bronze palette. It's one of my favorite palettes, but then her summer palette last year didn't work out for me. So it really just depends. So we'll see how this one goes. I think I'm gonna go in with this color now for the crease. So far so good. They're blending out nice. All right, I like where this is going. I really want to use this color. I think it's so pretty. I'm gonna try Fine Wine, which is this like purpley eye topper, and let's see how it looks. I'm gonna try the brush first and see how it applies. Ooh, okay, I like it. I like it a lot. For brow products, it was a clear winner. It was 31% to 69%, and you guys picked the Benefit Brow Contour Pro, which is a new brow pencil. I've used it before. I really, really like it. It's like those little pens you had when you were a kid that had all different colors in it. It has 4 different shades, 2 brow shades and 2 highlight shades. So I'm gonna use the lighter shade. I'm gonna fill in my brows rather quickly because I always fill them in the same. I'm just gonna, you know, define them. Now I'm gonna take the highlighting shade and go right under my brow. All right, so I'm gonna curl my lashes, add a thin coat of mascara, and we're gonna go in with falsies. So for mascara, let's see what you guys picked. All right, so it was between the Maybelline Falsies mascara and the new NARS Climax mascara. NARS won hands down 69%. So let's do a layer of the NARS mascara right here. I love the packaging, it's so cute. This mascara is bomb, I love it. I've been using it ever since I went to the launch in Spain and it's like so good. Moving on to lashes, I didn't give you guys an option for this because I partnered with 1-2 Lash for the video. I'm gonna be showing you guys some magnetic lashes. Now I have tried some knockoff magnetic lashes. It was like earlier on in the year and it was not the best. It was hard and they were really cheap and looked nothing like they did on Amazon when I bought them. But 1-2 Lash claims to have invented the magnetic lash. Today I'm gonna be using the Bombshell lash. This is what it looks like. You have your 2 lashes and then you have the little bottom pieces that go underneath or on top of the lash, just depending on how you want to apply them. I'm super excited because they claim to be really easy just with practice. The idea behind magnetic lashes is no more lash extensions, no more glue, no more mess. I know that lashes can be hard for a lot of people, so they try to make it easy, and as long as you practice, these are supposed to be like the easiest lashes to put on, and that's what I'm gonna test right now because I have only tried knockoff magnetic lashes. I've never tried like really nice ones, so let's dive right into it. It comes with this little lash applicator. There are a couple ways you can apply the lash. You can apply the lash on top or underneath, just depending on your preference. I'm gonna start by applying it on the top of my lash. So I'm going to take the right side. So I'm just gonna lay the lash flat on my lash line first. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and clip the right side since it's on there pretty good. So everything's labeled. This is the bottom right piece. So it took a little bit of practice. It took me a couple times, but I got them on and you really don't feel them on. Like they feel really weightless, but they do take practice. They look a lot like lash extensions to me. Like when I see lash extensions, like they look like that because you don't see them sitting on the lash, which I think is really pretty. I'll link them down below in case you guys are interested in trying them out, but I think they look really pretty. I'm gonna add a little bit of shadow on my lower lash line. I'm going back to that cheekbone highlight. I'm gonna add it on the inner corners of the eyes. For lip combo, I had 2 different nude shades. I had Kylie Cosmetics lipstick and a Persona Cosmetics liquid lip, 44% to 56%, very close. Persona Cosmetics won, so that's what I'm gonna do for my lip combo. So this is what it looks like. I have not tried any of their products yet. You guys know I always smell my stuff first. It smells a little bit like cake. I really like the color. All right, you guys, so this is the final look where I let you guys, my subscribers, my A-team, pick my makeup. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, join my A-team, and make sure those post notifications are turned on so you never miss a new video. Today's A-team shout out of the day goes to Cassandra LeBron. She said, the visuals and editing on this video were amazing. You look so beautiful this whole trip as always. I need to visit this beautiful paradise now. Love you, hashtag A-team. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. I spent so long editing my last video, which a lot of people thought that someone else edited my vlog, and I'm like, wow, thanks. Like, you guys don't think I can edit it, but I did edit it, and I'm really glad that you guys like it. Let me know down in the comments what kind of looks you guys want to see me do next for fall. I'm ready for some good fall looks. Let me know down in the comments. My birthday's coming up as well, September 4th. Hi! Thank you guys, as always, for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.